Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the essentials. Use the original cable and a charger rated for your phone's amperage to rule out weak power. Once done, inspect the phone USB port with a light and toothpick to remove lint. Gentle is key. Next, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so you can see connection modes and logs. Make sure to test another cable and charger now to confirm whether the problem is the phone or the accessories. You should connect the phone and immediately observe the notification to identify charging mode. Charging via USB often means limited current. Then open settings to set USB configuration to charging or MTP as needed, because the wrong mode can restrict power. If the indicator is absent, use a DB. Run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB logcat to watch for battery or connector errors. Once you see errors, swap cables. Try different USB ports and reboot to clear transient fault. You finish by removing debris, replacing the cable and charger, then rebooting the phone and confirming the battery percentage increases steadily. If the phone still refuses to charge, inspect for bent or corroded pins. Hardware damage usually requires port replacement or professional repair, so back up your data first. Make sure to test wireless charging or a powered USB hub to isolate whether the issue is power delivery. If all else fails, note the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.